So students, 11th chemistry unit first. Today's topic is solution and the factors expressing concentration of solution. What is solution? The homogeneous mixture of two or more substance is called solution. In solution, the component which is in smaller quantity, lesser quantity, or the component which is dissolved in other component is called solute, and the component which is in larger quantity or in which any other component is dissolved is called solvent. So solute and solvent is there and the total is solution. So quantity of solute in total solution is expressed in terms of concentration, is called concentration, and this concentration expressed in many terms like mass percentage, mole fraction, molarity and molality. So first of all, see mass percentage. So number of grams of solute present in 100 gram of solution is called mass percentage. For example, 10 gram of a substance, 10 gram of a substance dissolved in 40 grams of water. What will be the mass percentage of solution? So mass percentage equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100 equal to 10 upon 10 plus 40 means 50 into 100. So it is 20%. Mass percentage of the solution is 20%. Secondly, mole fraction. What is mole fraction? So mole fraction is defined as, in solution there are many components, so mole fraction of any component is defined as the ratio of number of moles of that component and total number of moles present in the solution. So mole fraction equal to mole fraction of a component equal to number of moles of that component upon total number of moles present in the solution. We will understand this by solving a question. Question is that 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 90 grams of water. Find the mole fraction of NaOH and water. So to solve this, we will take here component are NaOH and H2O. Now weight in grams. Its weight in grams equal to 20 is 90. Molecular mass or molar mass, it's 40, 23 plus 16 plus 1, 40, and it's 2 plus 16, 18. Now number of moles, that is equal to W upon M, means weight in grams upon molar mass. So this is 20 upon 40 equal to 1 upon 2. This is 90 upon 18 equal to 5. This is equal to 0.5. Now mole fraction of NaOH, XNaOH X NaOH equal to number of moles of NaOH. Number of moles of NaOH is 0.5 upon total number of moles. 5 plus 0.5, 5.5. This is equal to 1 upon 11. So mole fraction of NaOH is 1 upon 11. And mole fraction of H2O is 5. Number of moles of water plus total number of moles, 5.5. So this is equal to 10 upon 11. So this is the number of moles of NaOH, mole fraction of NaOH, this is mole fraction of water. Remember that total of mole fraction of all the components present is always equal to 1. We can also write the formula of mole fraction if two components A and B are there and the number of moles of A is Na, number of moles of B is Nb, so mole fraction of A equal to number of moles of A upon total number of moles of Na and B. Similarly, mole fraction of B will be equal to number of moles of B upon total number of moles. This is the formula of mole fraction. And Xa plus Xb plus so on always equal to 1. Now come to molarity and molality. Molarity and molality. So molality capital M equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, whereas the molality small m equal to number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent in kg. One very important difference is there. You have to keep it in your mind that here volume of solution means solute plus solvent both. Volume of solution in liter. Here weight of solvent only, not of solute. Weight of solvent in kg. Here liter, here kg. So what is the definition of molarity? Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution is called molarity, whereas the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent is called molality. Now solve the problem. Suppose 117 grams of NaCl is dissolved in water to prepare 1500 ml of solution. Find the molarity. So to solve this, here solute is NaOH. Its weight, NaCl. Its weight is 117 gram. Its molecular mass 23 plus 35.5 equal to 58.5 grams. So number of moles is equal to weight in grams upon molecular mass equal to 2. Volume of solution 1500 ml means 3/2 liter. Now molarity, number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. This is equal to 4/3 equal to 1.33 m means mole per liter. So this is the question of molarity. If we solve the question of molarity, the question will be in something different manner. And suppose 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 250 grams of water. Here solvent is water, solute is NaOH. Find the molality. So how will you find the molality? Here solute. What is solute? NaOH. Its weight in gram given 20. Molecular mass of NaOH 23 plus 16 plus 1. This is equal to 40. Number of moles will be equal to 20/40 equal to 1/2. अब weight of solvent, this is equal to 250 gram means 1/4 kg. 1/4 kg. So molality equal to number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent in kg. This is equal to 4/2. This will be equal to 2 m, 2 mole per kg. So this is the molality. If you want to differentiate, first the definition is different, symbol is different, its unit is mole per liter, its unit is mole per kg. Fourth, when the temperature is increased, molarity always decreases, but there is no effect of temperature on molality.